तिसवाडी आम्ही व्हिडिओ मेळोंक येयलेले आहेत. आम्ही ताकडे उलयलेले 2 दिसां पयलीं की बाबा आमचो तो सेक्रेटरी आहा आम्ही गव्हर्मेंटाक रिक्वेस्ट केलेले तेजेर करप्शन चार्जीस आहा आनी FIR जाल्या गव्हर्मेंटान सँक्शन दिलां की ताका काडचो कित्याक फ्री अँड फेअर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावचें. दिस इज अ लेटर. द लेटर वॉज मूव्ड, अ फायल वॉज मूव्ड अँड necessary transfer orders were issued on 17th of February. Today is 25th of February. The person who is supposed to come to our village, secretary, is Mr. Saurav Kamli. तो पेडणे BDO ऑफिसान आसलो तेका थर्सडे रिलीफ केलो. थर्सडे रिलीफ करून BDO ऑफिसान बसोवन दवरला तेका 3 दीस. आयज तो तिसरो दीस तो बसोवन दवरला. म्हाजें एकूच क्वेश्चन आसलें BDO कडेन तो मेळोंक ना की जेन्ना ही ऑर्डर दी आहा ही इमिजिएट इफेक्ट म्हणटा म्हणजे कितें हें म्हणजे ऑर्डर येवन इमिजिएट इफेक्ट इज इमिजिएट इफेक्ट ओ आफ्टर 1 वीक ओ BDO and other people are trying to they are getting all shares of this corruption. That's why they are trying to protect this, or they are trying him to destroy all the evidence in the case and then move him, or they are trying to keep him with the political pressure. They आमकां गोमूंक जाय देखून आमी हिंगा विचारपाक येयलेले की बाबा BDO मेळोंक ना आमकां. BDO कडेन जेन्ना हांव उलयलां BDO म्हाका सांगता तेणें हूंय फायल्यो हँड ओवर करूंक जाय गार्बेजीची. हांव पंच मेंबर गार्बेजीची फायल ना म्हणून तेंचेर FIR जाले आनी करप्शन केस जाले आनी कसली हें करूंक जाय तेका. सो आय एम रिक्वेस्टिंग द BDO तेका इमिजिएटली ह्या ऑर्डरी प्रमाणे रिलीफ करचो नाल्यार तेंकां थिंगाच दवरचो. आमकां तेंय गमोंक जाय थिंगाच दवरा तेका आनी खावन BJP गव्हर्मेंटाचो आमकां एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन गमता हें कितें तें. ऑर्डरी येवन पासून तो मनीस थिंगा बसता आनी तो थिंगा हें जावपाचो आहा तो एका हिंगा बसयला. वॉट डीज इट मीन म्हणजे तुमकां ऑर्डरी आमी मान्य ऑर्डरीच्यो ह्यो. सो हांव आयज ह्या तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान BDOक सांगूंक सोदता दॅट नेसेसरी अँड इमिजिएटली ही शूड बी रिलीफ to the Santa Cruz Panchayat. Or next, what I'll do is I'll get all the Santa Cruz people and come to his office and let them question him. This is getting out of it. Administration of BJP is gone to dust. सारखे पाड पडला गोंयांत. मोर्चा वयता थिंगा आनी ऑर्डरी येवन पासून आमकां झगडचें पडटा. आमकां कितें आमी कितें मागता गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन तुमी जाव तो घाल्ला आमी आमकां जाव तो हाडूंक ना. तेका हाडला तेका तुमी अरे तेका दिया न्हू. ही इज नॉट केपेबल ऑफ हँडलिंग द विलेज पंचायत सो दॅट द सेम सेक्रेटरी अ करप्ट सेक्रेटरी हू हॅज टू बी देअर एट दिस टाइम. सो आय रिक्वेस्ट द BDO काइंडली relieve this person, the new secretary who has been allotted the post, or cancel the order and keep that fellow corrupt person there only. Thank you.
So you said you spoke to the BDO. BDO कितें म्हणलें ते रिप्लाय सांगा.
BDO म्हणटा बाबा म्हणलें
ते क्लिअरन्स ऑफ विच फायल नाव
दॅट ही इज टेलिंग क्लिअरन्स ऑफ फायल्स ऑफ गार्बेज फायल्स बा तेका ह्या एका हँड ओवर करूंक जाता. तो म्हणटा एक पावटी तो गेलो मगो येवचो ना.
सो टाइम लिमिट ना हेका.
तेच म्हणटा टाइम लिमिट.
बट व्हॉट ही सेड अबाउट द
saying it will be happening in this days 1-2 days. Now Monday I spoke to him, today is Wednesday. It is not happened today also. So when are we going to wait? And which file? Government files should be on the table, clear cut. Once I go, someone comes and look at it. You have to read it. What files has to be done? And there is no garbage file in Santa Cruz. That's the reason I had filed a complaint. I went to the court. Garbage file utna resolution. And what file has to be? So either they are trying to use some political pressure to keep him, or they are allowing him to dispose of to dispose all the material what is against him. This is what I feel. And the BJP government, the CM, and mostly the dynamic, I call him dynamic because he's always laughing and smiling. Mr. Movin Gudino should look in his department what is going on, whether he is aware of all this thing happening. Instead, the secretary should have been suspended. Government has given a sanction to persecute the secretary. So why is still the corrupt official still sitting in the office? This is my question.
एक सांताक्रूज पंचायतीचें क्वेश्चन आहा. तुमी ज्या भाशेन लास्ट टायम एक दुर्घटना जाली ते तुमचे हितून एकलो वेल नोन पर्सनॅलिटी डायड देर एट द पंचायत ग्रामसभा. बट ड्युरींग दॅट तें म्हणलें ते फायनान्शियल बजेट पास जालो म्हणून. तर आतां हेजेर कितें मातशें अपडेट आहा तें मातशें सांगा.
जेन्ना I am very, I used to call Olavio sir and we miss him. Okay, because I used to take advice also from him and used to give a good advice. जे दिसाक तो पडलो म्हाज्या फुड्यानूच पडलो हांव धांवलो भायर एम्बुलन्साक फोन मारलो एम्बुलन्साक आपयता येता हिंगा डायरेक्शन आमचो एमएलए आसलो एमएलएनूय ट्राय केली ताका सेव करपाची हिंगा सगळें कन्फ्युजन चलतालें सगळें कन्फ्युजन कोण सरपंच उठता आमी म्हाका खबर पासून ना आनी बजेट कन्फर्म करता चोरपाची बजेट कन्फर्म करता इन दॅट आय हॅव रिटर्न टू द व्हिडिओ
प्रपोज आणि सेकंड आम्ही आयकोंक ना त्या व्हिडिओ
तुवें आसलो तुका आमकां कांयच खबर ना थिंगा कोण थिंगा खंयच्याच रिकॉर्डर ना की बजेट अप्रूव जालें म्हणून ही बजेट आमचें ऑब्जेक्शन आसलें तितून गार्बेजीक एक दे हॅव क्लेम 90 lakhs फॉर द इयर तेजेर आय हॅव रिमूव्ड एन ऑब्जेक्शन and there was an objection of repairs of the panchayat ghar current panchayat ghar they want to spend 50 lakhs rupees to repair that we had objected to it and that discussion was going on it was a part of discussion when sir Olav
टॅक्साचे पण was part of discussion.
absolutely taxache part allo so it was all going on there and suddenly we had this incident and she passed the budget we have written a letter to the BDO to have a so extraordinary Gram Sabha to discuss the budget.
Okay.
So we still not.
You have written that to.
I also have written, and Arturo has written separately to that.
Okay.
Because I have told. So this is what corruption going in Santa Cruz. This is not acceptable. And I request the government kindly look into it, or we will get some people here and we'll sit here only. Okay. Thank you.